Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Nancy from nancybadillo.com, and on today's video I'm going to go over different manufacturers that you could use if you have a product-based business, whether you are an Etsy seller, if you are a designer, if you're an artist, a photographer. This article will actually help you. And these are manufacturers that will print your product and you don't have to have an inventory at home, and they have the convenience of drop shipping. And what drop shipping is basically they'll you buy the customer buys the product from you. You go to their site, you buy the product, the mug or whatever with the design, and they ship out the product for you to the customer. So that's a nice feature because then you don't have to have all this extra inventory at home. And the nice thing is that you could go ahead and make more money than just selling digital prints online or digital items online. And the reason why I came up with this post is because as a Etsy seller, I'm fairly new. I've been doing Etsy now for 2 years. I started noticing that a lot of my competitors were selling similar designs like mine, and they were selling it on top bags, and they were selling it on t-shirts, and they were selling the design on mugs. But every time I did a research, or I Google, or I went to YouTube, no one's talking about who they're using as a wholesaler. It's almost like very secrecy. Like nobody wants to tell you, hey, this is the company I buy my mugs for 40 cents per mug, or this is where I buy my t-shirts and I only pay $1 per t-shirt, or whatever. No one's really out there revealing their resources. And even when you go to Etsy and you look at your competitors, Etsy has it that Etsy's policies ask you to list your production partner. And a lot of the a lot of my competitors, they only disclose the location of the manufacturer. So they'll have like the manufacturer is in New Jersey, and then they'll have like a little short bio of that manufacturer. Like they use the high quality printers, so blah 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 blah, but they don't really have the name of the printer, because if not, obviously I would have googled them and find out what the pricing is and so on. So I think a lot of Etsy stores, or a lot of Etsy buyers don't want to reveal that. Etsy sellers, I apologize, don't want to reveal their resources because maybe one, they don't want you to copy them. Maybe two, it took them a long time to find a good wholesaling company, so they really don't want other people competing with them. I feel like there's room for everyone to compete. I feel like if your items are very unique and you have great customer service and you have great shipping and so on, you shouldn't have to worry too much about other people. But I also get the whole secrecy thing. It's just that when you're first starting and you don't know where to go, like myself, it can be quite frustrating. And this is why I started doing my Etsy videos, and this is the reason why I did this post, to help everyone out there that is in the same predicament as I am. And these 30 manufacturers, they range from different things that you could buy from them. I'm going to go over some of them with you so you could kind of see what I'm talking about. So for instance, let's just go ahead and dabble in. One of them is Evermind. And Evermind, they have a big category. They have more for like weddings, holidays, baby shower, birthdays, party occasions, and stuff like that. And with them, you could do labels, you could do stickers, you could do hand tags, coasters, cards. So they have a big selection. And then if you go to labels, they have more specifics like wine label, beer label, wedding favor labels. So, they have a big variation, and you could go in there, whatever design you sold to someone, you could go in there, upload the design, order it, blind ship it, so that way it comes from you, not from Evermind. They send the package to the customer and you're done. So this is a quick way. This video is to help you take your business to another level. So if you are selling digital downloads of whatever it is, whether it is a design for a t-shirt, or whether it's stickers, or whether it is invites like I am for my wedding store, you could take it to a next level and find manufacturers out there that you could go upload your design, sell your design, bulk prices. Like they could get like 50 invitations for a certain amount of money, and then they print out the design for you and they mail it out to the customer, and now you're making more money. So another great one is Sticker Mule. Basically, if you have a sticker store now and you're selling stickers that are just digital downloads, the customer buys it from you, they have to print it at home on sticker paper and cut it out themselves. If you want to take your business to another level, you could actually do it with Sticker Mule, that they allow you to upload your design and buy stickers to send out to your customers. If you want to, Print and Mint is a really nice one as well. This one has a little variation of different things. So to give you an idea, they sell a mug for $6.50. Another nice thing about Print and Mint, and a lot of these, are that you could do print on demand, which is basically if you sold 5 mugs today, then you could go in here and buy only 5 mugs. You don't have to buy 20 or a bulk of mugs that you didn't sell. So now you're having all this extra inventory at home that you never sold. So you could just buy whatever you need. And the nice thing about this, if the mug costs $6.50, you could sell it on your Etsy store, let's say for $17. So now you're making about $10, $11 profit. That's not bad. So just think about it that way. You could actually open today a mug shop if you wanted to. And the shipping the customer will pay for. So you're not necessarily paying for that. So you just looking at the price cost. So the mug costs $6.50. You put your design on it. Is now it's gonna cost you around. Now you can sell it at Etsy for 17. So you're making about $10.50 per mug. That's not bad at all. So you would have to play with the prices, of course, and kind of compare what price Print and Mint charges you versus if you go to Evermind, or versus if you go to Jack Prints, or if you use Printful. So it just really depends. You gotta kind of go through all these websites, see which one fits you better, which one has the services that you need. Do they sell print on demand? Do they want you to buy bulk? It just depends, because some of them do require it for you to buy a certain amount. So it just depends on your business. It depends on what you prefer. In my situation, I prefer print on demand. I just want to buy only, I just want to pay for what I sold. I don't want to buy extra and then it just sits there. Um, but depending on your business, the extra might not be a bad idea either. So it just depends on what you sell. And another great one is Printful. And Printful basically, they custom design your whatever you're selling on pretty much anything. They do aprons, they do swimwear, they do backpacks, t-shirts, they print out posters for you, iPhone cases, mugs. So you have the option to take a design, print it here, they drop ship it for you. You don't have to worry about um, the customer knowing that you bought it from Printful. No, they don't know anything because it's blind ship, or they brand your business, which means that they put your name, your Etsy shop, your address, your phone number, your information as if you send the package to them. So these are really, really great resources that you could kind of play with, get to know, see what kind of works better for you. There's a little bit of everything in here. So even stationery, HQ, if you sell invites like I do, invitations, posters, thank you cards, and all that stuff, this is a great website for that you could print it out from there. So you just pretty much got to kind of go through them and kind of see what works better for you. I hope that this tutorial is helpful for anyone out there that started an Etsy shop, doesn't have the funds like I don't have it to buy a wine printer that costs you like $5,000, or to buy a sticker machine, or to buy some type of printer like a mug. You know, a mug printer usually costs about $1,500, a really good quality one. If you don't have the funds for that at the moment, this is a way that you could start your business, still sell items, still make a killing, and then once you save that money, then you go and buy your own printer, and instead of paying someone else $6 for a mug or $8 for a mug, now you go buy a bulk of mugs that cost you 40 cents each, but you're selling them for 17, so you're making a profit of $15 per mug. I mean, this is how you start. And we all have to start somewhere. Some of us have more funds than others that could, if you know, could go and buy the printer or could go buy the machine, and some of us don't, and this is the route that we have to do. But that doesn't mean that you cannot be successful by taking this route. I mean, I've come across lately a few people that have recommended some of these to me, and they make a killing. They make a killing simply doing it this way. And for them, it works out better because they don't have to go to the post office every week to mail out something. And it just, for them, it's just an easier process for them. So make sure that you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you use a different manufacturer that I didn't list, make sure you leave it on the comment below. We will all love to see them. I would love to learn new manufacturers just in case someone else works better for me as well. And I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you.